Hello everyone and welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around, startup and drive video on a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. Yes, this is a true Super Sport. It has a numbers matching 396 350 horse engine under the hood. Beautiful car. This car was rotisserie restored 2.5, 3 years ago. The car was restored out in Denver, Colorado, and it is absolutely beautiful. Like I say, 396, 400 turbo, automatic transmission, 12-bolt rear end, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front, factory air conditioning, bucket seat interior, factory console. The paint on this car is second to none. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The glass in the car is all new. Matching SS wheel. Very nicely done inside the trunk. Has the original stamping on the quarter panels. The chrome bumper, trim, taillights, bright work has all been replaced. It's got the iconic white stripe down the side. What a gorgeous car. Check out the body lines on this car. Body lines, door gaps, panel fitment is all very, very nice. Headlight rings, grille, front bumper, turn signal lights. Set you down for a second. There we go. There's that 396. Factory stickers under the hood. New AC compressor, Holley carburetor. Does have a long set of long tube headers on it. Original AC box. As I said, power steering and brakes, washer fluid jug. The whole AC system has been gone through on the car as well. This car was a nut and bolt restoration. Car is very nice and very straight. And see just how the paint shines on this car. Interior is very, very nice. All the interior was all redone. Rear seat, there the horn works. Sail panels, package tray, headliner, visors. SS steering wheel, has a retro radio in it. See the whole interior, the seat covers, the carpet, the door panels, the dash pad, the headliner, the sail panels, the package tray, all been redone. Beautiful color too. This car just sparkles. The paint is so slick and smooth on it. I just got done wiping it down. Just slick, slick, slick. What a gorgeous 69 Chevelle Super Sport. That little light there stays lit up. I don't know what's up with that, but radio works. Can't tune any stations in, but it works. Blower motor works. About 60 pounds of oil pressure running. It's cold yet. Voltage gauge is probably fluctuating a little bit. The wipers work. Not sure about the lighter. Look at this thing. I'm not just telling you my cars are nice. My cars are nice. I'll throw this baby up on the rack and take some undercarriage pictures. There's why that light stays on the dash. That front bulb must not be making a good connection because the rear signal's working and the front one's not. So either the bulb has the filament burnt or not making a good enough connection. So we'll get that taken care of. That'll take care of that little indicator on the dash as well. Let's take this car out for a little spin. We owned this car about 2 years ago, right after it was completely restored. I sold it to a gentleman, and he called us a couple weeks ago and wanted to trade it back in. Wanted something just a little less expensive, so he traded this thing back in on a really nice Plymouth Scamp. Now the radio's working. Man, what a gorgeous car. If you're looking for a 69 Chevelle, honey, stop the car, because transmission shifts smooth, speedometer works, nice little tach there, gas gauge works. Car drives great. I'll put it up on the hoist here in just a little while. I'll take some undercarriage shots of it. Very, very nice underneath as well. Beautiful fall day here in Iowa. Started out with a little bit of rain, overcast skies. Still got some overcast skies, but that sun is right there and it's peeking out. So, very nice fall day. Hope you all are out enjoying something today other than being stuck in the office at work. for you on almost every car, as long as it's fit to do it. This guy's still here. He's been here for a couple hours. I don't know what he's doing. Taking a nap. She's just as beautiful out here. Probably prettier. If you want a show-winning Chevelle, come get this bad boy. She is one beautiful machine. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. I did see this here just now. It's got one little chip right there. We do have a little touch-up paint for this car. I will touch that little chip up. That's what happens sometimes. You drive them and that, you know, you'll have that. Get a little mark once in a while. She runs good, drives good. What a beautiful ride. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. Give us a call on this beautiful 69 Chevelle, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. We stock 155 plus cars. Give us a call. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great afternoon, everyone. Thanks for watching.